Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Hey guys, it's me, Jordan with Shotokan Karate Academy. Look, we have this very special message to share, not only with those in our dojo, but everybody else in the community as well. So as many of you guys know, there's this elf on the shelf. Well, we actually have our own elf on the shelf as well here at Shotokan Karate Academy. His name is Nunchuck. And Nunchuck is really cool because this year he's doing something really special. So Nunchuck got wind of our core values here at the dojo, right? Things like honesty, respect, kindness, courage, focus, so on and so forth. He got wind of these core values and he thought, wow, I want to help Santa and help these children out. So you guys might see Nunchuck in our dojo, and he'll be teaching you guys and showing you guys exactly what to do when it comes to talking about kindness or honesty. And parents, to be honest, I heard that Nunchuck, when he's going over to the North Pole and he's giving his reports to Santa, that he's sharing these ideas with all the other elves on the shelves as well. So if your elf happens to be teaching your kiddo at home, what does it look like to be honest? What does it look like to share kindness? What does it look like to focus? So on and so forth. What's really great is within this program is going to teach you guys exactly how to show and report that kindness, that honesty, and those core values as well. And we highly recommend every single family in the dojo and every single family in the community to be able to build and share this kindness and share these core values, so that way we can go ahead and lift up our community and help those along the way. We want to be able to help our children and raise this generation to be great, right? And so what we have for you guys attached in the link below is a whole step-by-step instructions on how to help your children and how to help your elf learn how to report these core values back to Santa, so that way we can have a magical, wonderful, and uplifting Christmas and holiday season. This is the year for us to level up, and this is what we want to do for those around us as well. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much again for chiming in on this video. We are Shotokan Karate Academy here on State Street in Lehi. We can't wait to help the community. We can't wait to help the children. You guys are doing such an amazing job. We love your guys' families so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. Every single time you guys give support, we love to figure what we can do to give more back to you guys. So look out for Nunchuck, look out for your own elf on the shelf, and let's spread these core values. Thanks, team.